By the next morning, no one really knew what thief and policeman game had played out in the last night. Everyone was busy in their own work, and nobody knew where Takla Prasad had disappeared with Mukabla's fighting rooster. Meanwhile, some people, without knowing today's fresh news, were already calling Mukabla to talk business because they were sure that the useless men they had sent last night to steal the rooster would return as a 100% failure. The first of them was our Jhola Mal Chacha.
Hello, Mukabla Pehlwan. It's me, your well-wisher, your good-hearted brother, Jhola Mal.
Jhola Mal Chache, my mood is completely off right now. I can't talk.
Hey, listen, brother. I have called only to lift your mood.
Then speak quickly.
Brother, take over my shop that earns 8 lakh a month and run a nice dhaba or some business there.
Why, Chache? Are you going to Haridwar?
Hey, no, brother. The shop isn't free. In return, you'll have to give me your black rooster. Tell me, do you accept the deal?
To hell with you and your deal. I feel this job is done by one of you only. Last night, my Kalua Kadaknath got stolen. He is stolen.
What has happened, Pehlwan? Anyway, may God support you in this bedtime.
Saying this, Jhola Mal hung up and started jumping with joy because he felt that Ghochu and Bhondu must have stolen the rooster and would reach here any moment.
Hey, how are you, my Mukable? My village's Mike Tyson. Look, brother, I won't beat around the bush. I need your black rooster for the welfare of the village. In return, take the corner land of the village and build your wrestling arena there. Isn't it a great deal?
So, say yes to the deal right now.
Yes, Sarpanch ji. My rooster got stolen last night. You people are not even letting me cry in peace.
What? Stolen? Means we are finished. Destiny is cruel. Anyway, stay strong, Pehlwan. Everything will be alright. Stay calm.
Saying this, the Sarpanch hung up and also started dancing, thinking Munshi and Takla would bring the rooster to him anytime. But in reality, the rooster had flown away somewhere with Takla Prasad. On the other side, Jhola Mal was pacing outside his shop, rubbing his hands anxiously and talking to himself.
By the oath of Vasco da Gama of Calicut, if that Kadaknath rooster comes into my hands once, my lifetime poverty will be finished.
Just then, Ghochu and Bhondu arrived on crutches with bandages on hands, legs and neck. Seeing them, Jhola Mal said in shock.
Hey, which sugarcane machine crushed you both? And where is the rooster?
Ghochu and Bhondu looked at each other painfully and silently handed a list to Jhola Mal. Jhola Mal started reading. On it was written 100 slaps, 70 punches, 40 kicks and 15 body slams each. Reading this, Jhola Mal burst out angrily.
Hey, what is this slaps, punches, kicks? Whose list is this?
Sethi, we have already suffered all this on our delicate bodies. We knew we would give us the same reward. So we are telling you, we have already received it.
And Sethi, your rooster, Takla Prasad, flew away with it.
Hearing this, Jhola Mal slapped his forehead and said,
I knew you useless fools couldn't do this job. Still I sent you. Actually, you are good for nothing. Once I get free from all this, I will book your tickets to Andaman Nicobar first.
Hi, Takla has taken my Kadaknath.
The same situation was with the Sarpanch when Munshi reached him in broken condition.
I'll deal with you later, Munshi. First, we have to find that cursed Takla.
The key to my destiny, Kadaknath rooster, is with that bald rascal.
Meanwhile, Khabri Lal was spreading the news across the village.
Odi Baba, miracle has happened. Mukabla's magical Kadaknath has disappeared. Now, who will do the remedy?
Everyone's crooked mind was searching for a solution, but the Sarpanch found the best plan. In this crisis, Sarpanch, Mukabla Singh and Jholamal held a meeting. They decided first they will find Takla together and snatch the rooster. Then Mukabla's rooster will be auctioned. Whoever pays the highest price will take it. Mukabla was also forced to sell it because he would get a huge amount of money. But the big question remained. Did the earth swallow Takla or did the sky take him? For spying on Takla, they spoke to Khabrilal and Bhura. Khabrilal was excited, but Bhura, he hesitated.
So you people lost such a precious Kadaknath carelessly. And now you want me to find him? Rebure, you just have to find where Takla is and somehow lure him back to the village. Rest I'll handle. I'll make hair grow on his bald head in 10 minutes. But I have one condition. Once we locate him, I will inform you. But before bringing him to the village, I want my share of money in advance. Only Takla will come to the village, not me. Hey, yes, Bhura, you will get your money first. But we need Takla in the village with the rooster.
Odi Baba, don't worry, Sarpanji. No tension, no tension.
The deal was fixed. Khabrilal and Bhura left for the city to search for Takla Prasad and Kadaknath Rooster. Many days passed wandering aimlessly in the city, but there was still no trace of Takla. Then one evening, Khabrilal and Bhura were sitting under a tree on the outskirts of the city and talking, when suddenly their eyes fell on a car passing by. From its window, a Kadaknath rooster was proudly peeping out. Khabrilal saw it and pointed out to Bhura.
Odi Baba, we found him. We found him. Look there. A proper Kadak flapping Kadaknath dancing inside that car. Follow it.
They immediately grabbed a taxi and started chasing the car. The car stopped in an old settlement. After a while, Takla came out with the rooster. At that very moment, Khabrilal and Bhura caught hold of him. He tried to run, but Takla was trapped. Begging, he said to them,
Why are you holding me? This rooster is mine.
Odi Baba, really? This is your rooster? Then why did you steal it from Mukabla Pahalwan's place?
Listen, Takla, this rooster was mine first. Then I sold it to Mukabla. It has a huge price in the international market, which a villager like you can never sell properly. We will give this rooster to the Sarpanch, and as per our deal, you will get 5 lakh rupees. And me and Khabrilal will get 2.5 lakh each.
Odi Baba, anyway, how long will you roam around with this rooster while being an enemy of the whole village?
Bhura and Khabrilal were trapping him in their smooth, polished lies, of which Takla had no clue. Finally, after so much persuasion, he agreed to come with them. By evening, Khabrilal, Takla and Bhura reached the village. Khabrilal and Bhura told Takla to hide first so that they could collect their share from the Sarpanch and others. Then Bhura said,
Good that you all, Sarpanch ji, Jholamal Chacha and Mukabla Bhai are here together. We have found your Takla along with the rooster.
As promised, the Sarpanch gave Bhura the money and Khabrilal stayed there. Meanwhile, Bhura went to bring Takla. After some time, Takla arrived holding the rooster in one hand and dragging Bhura with the other, pleading loudly.
I admit I made a mistake, but I have brought this rooster only on one condition, that Bhura will get me the full 5 lakh rupees and from you people.
The moment everyone saw the rooster, the eyes of all the tricksters sparkled. They signaled their men. Munshi, Ghochu and Bhondu all rushed towards the rooster. Suddenly, the rooster flew and sat on a platform. 3 men collided violently with each other.
Oh, my nose!
Oh, my head. Oh, I am dead.
Hey, you useless idiots! Put your life into catching it, or I'll take your life!
Mukabla, Sarpanch, Jholamal, Takla, Ghochu, Bhondu and Munshi all jumped to catch the rooster except Bhura and Khabrilal. The rooster was untouchable. Someone grabbed a head, someone grabbed a neck. In moments, the place turned into a battlefield. Meanwhile, Bhura tried to escape, but Khabrilal caught him. Finally, Mukabla lost his temper, grabbed a nearby water pot and threw it at the rooster. The rooster dodged but got completely soaked in water. Everyone noticed the rooster's color started washing off. Sarpanch jumped forward, grabbed the rooster and saw that it was painted.
Oi, Takle, you ate the real rooster?
Hey, sir, this is the same rooster of Mukabla Singh.
That means Bhura sold me a painted rooster?
Odi Baba, that's why this Bhura was trying to run away.
Bhura kept trying to defend himself, but everyone together beat him until he confessed his crime.